Do you feel stuck in anything that has to do with money, health, or relationships? In this video, I am sharing who to call in, what higher helpers and angels you can call in if you are stuck in any of these areas or if you're stuck in all of these areas. I'm Tammy Mastroberti, best-selling author of the book The Universe is Talking to You, Tap into Signs and Synchronicity to Reveal Magical Moments Every Day. And I teach a lot about communicating with the universe. So the book The Universe is Talking to You is all about opening up and learning to receive the signs and synchronicities being sent from our angels, our guides, our loved ones on the other side. However, the other side of that communication coin is us asking the universe, us talking to the universe. And one of the best ways that we can actually get the help that often will come, the answers will come through signs and synchronicity, is to ask for it, is to call in our higher help team, our angels, our guides, loved ones who have passed on. Anybody that you can think of that is on the other side that specializes or can help you in a specific area of your life that you might be struggling in. So in this video, we are focusing on when we feel like we are stuck in anything with money and finances, anything with health and healing, and anything with relationships, whether that be you're looking to bring in new relationships or you are stuck and are looking to repair or improve a relationship that you're already in. So here's the deal. I want to give you sort of who the top people are, the top resources are, the top angel, really, that I would call in for each of these areas. Now, there are many higher helpers that can help in this area. When I think about higher help, I always think about or look at everything. So beyond religion, beyond the belief system you were brought up in, on the other side, we are all connected. We are all one. There is no religion or anything that's sort of a man-made thing. So we can call on gods and goddesses and saints and angels and all of that, right? And really bring them all in to help us work in a specific area. If you are stuck, I actually put together a Get Unstuck toolkit that offers prayers for the top 8 areas of your life that you are stuck in and brings all of the helpers in together. If you're watching this after the end of October 2021, there'll be a link below. Before that, it is coming. But if you're watching this on YouTube afterwards, feel free, or Facebook or wherever you're finding this, feel free to check underneath this for that Get Unstuck toolkit. The prayers are just one piece of it. But in this video, I want to share with you sort of the top person that I would work with or that I would call in. If you do nothing else, if you ask for help from no one else about anything else, just who's the one person I would want you to work with or who I would choose to work with in those areas of my life. So I'm focusing on angels for this. So if we were looking at money and finances, who can you call in? What angel can you call on to ask for assistance in this area? For me, the best angel I would call on for help in with money and finances is Archangel Ariel. Archangel Ariel can assist with the manifestation, or just manifestation in general, but specifically Archangel Ariel can be called upon and asked for assistance in manifesting prosperity and abundance in your life. So calling in Archangel Ariel every morning, asking Archangel Ariel, adding her into your morning. If you're already saying my morning prayer from the book The Universe is Talking to You, which is also linked below, you can add this into your intention section of that prayer, and you would just say, please help me in manifesting more abundance and prosperity in my life. Please send me the ideas, please send me the opportunities, and help me recognize them when they arrive. So Archangel Ariel, she's also known for asking for help with animals and nature, but she also can be very helpful when it comes to manifesting prosperity and abundance. So that is the angel that I would work with if you are struggling or feeling stuck in that area. Again, remember there's many higher helpers for every area, but that is the angel that I would call on for that. The second area that a lot of people get stuck is in relationships. And so when we are talking about either improving a relationship, trying to find some more harmony in relationships, or if you're trying to attract new friendships or a new intimate love relationship, I would call on two angels who work together as a team. I would call in Archangel Shamuel, and I would call in his twin flame, Archangel Charity. They will work together to not only help you create, manifest, and attract new relationships, right? New friendships, new intimate love relationships, but they can also help you to bring harmony to an existing relationship, to bring harmony back if you're having difficulties. So I would call on those two as a team if you are struggling or feeling stuck in a relationship. And then the last area that is where a lot of people get stuck, and again, there's so many resources that I would call in, but if we are talking about healing, and I've done a whole video on this, on how I call this angel in for healing, is Archangel Raphael, whose name literally means God heals. And he is always the top dog that I call in for help when it comes to health and healing. And again, I ask him to direct me to the right modalities, the right treatments, the right doctors, anything that can help me and assist me on my healing path. Direct me, send the signs and the synchronicities, help me recognize them when they arrive so I can start moving forward in this area. We have to ask for the help, because when we ask for the help, we enact these dormant forces that are just waiting for us to ask. And all of the sudden, the right people show up. All of the sudden, the right idea comes to you. The right opportunity comes to you. And now you're moving forward. We have to ask for the help. It's waiting there. It is available to you 24/7. It does not matter who you are, where you live, what your background is, what your culture is. It's available to everyone. So if you are stuck in any of these areas, I would start with those sort of top dog angels and start asking them for the guidance and for the help. And again, there's so many more that you can call in. When I create prayers, I like to call them all in, right? And say, that, can you help with this? Can you work with this person? For example, if you were working on fear, let's say you're dealing with anxiety, I would not only call in Archangel Raphael, but I would also call in Archangel Michael, who is the protector angel and can also help you free yourself from fear. So I would call in the two of them together. I would also throw in a third piece of that, which would be Archangel Shamuel, who can also work specifically with healing anxiety. So see, I like to stack them, which is what I did in that Get Unstuck toolkit, which again, if depending on when you're watching this, it's either on its way out and it will be out soon, or you can check the link below and it's already available. But I love to stack things like that. So, but I wanted to give you sort of a beginning jumping off point to just add whatever area, and if you're stuck in more than one area, feel free to combine all of these together and ask for help each day. But ask for the help, because when you ask for it, it arrives. It doesn't always arrive on the timeline that you want it to arrive. It doesn't always arrive in the way that you want it to arrive, but it always arrives. So start here. If you are stuck in any of these areas, start here, and then you'll start seeing things move forward. So I hope this helps you. Tag someone in this video if you think that they would like it or it would assist them. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, because I do post a couple of times a week new videos, and you'll be alerted to it first. And thank you for being here, and I will see you guys in the next video.